Hey guys, welcome back. Fourth video. This is our first one on an actual feminist theory, and this theory is called cultural feminism. I've got up here that it is a theory of difference. So it's going to answer that first question, where are the women, with the answer in a different position than men. And for cultural feminists, this different position is something to celebrate and build upon. So the main issue here is cultural feminism says there is a thing called the female character or the female personality. And it basically says that this is a positive thing. Women are caring. They are more open to emotion, less aggressive. Sort of the stereotypical things that we think of when we think about stereotypes about women. But cultural feminists say, hey, this is good. What if we had people in leadership positions who were more caring, who were less aggressive? That seems like that would lead to a better society. And to be honest with you, it's kind of a compelling argument. The cultural feminists begin this, the first round of this is really in making the argument for the vote in the first wave of feminism. They're saying, look, women are more moral than men are, and therefore women need to be involved in the governing of a society. That's basically the whole thing. It does have more contemporary theorists. The big one is a psychologist named Gilligan, who had a thesis that women were more likely to make moral decisions based on an ethic of care, which is different than males who, she said, make it on an ethic of rights derived from abstract principles. So basically what she was saying, slightly different than what the first wave feminists said, which was that, there's something, the term is essentialist. There's something essential about a woman, perhaps even biologically, that she's just more caring, more nurturing, more moral, and therefore deserves or should be in a position of leadership. Carol Gilligan, I don't think, is willing to quite go to the biological level. But the argument would be more that, well, if we're socializing girls to be caring and to make moral decisions based on caring for one another, whether it's biological or based on socialization, that female personality still provides a good basis for a healthier society in terms of a healthier government. That's basically all that we need to know from cultural feminism. To conclude, that it suggests women's ways of being is different and it is healthier for society. I personally, as a sort of deeply sociological rather than biological thinker, this one's a little hard for me. I mean, I can see the argument that women are socialized in a particular way that would lead us to think that if they were more in positions of power, we would have more of an ethic of caring that was leading decision making. But it's a little bit of an uncomfortable position to take, that women just are a certain way, because it can absolutely be used against women, right? Then if women are just more caring, then maybe they don't need to be in positions like in the military, and then all of a sudden you're disqualifying people based on biology. Which, I mean, again, we'd kind of be doing to men if we say, well, men don't have this ethic of caring. They shouldn't be in positions of leadership. So that's what you got for cultural feminism. It makes me a little bit uncomfortable, but I think there's also a little bit of virtue in it. I'm uncomfortable saying it, but if we are socializing women in this way, at least for the time being, until we start socializing men in that way, maybe having more women in positions of leadership would be a better situation. But, that's up to you to decide. That's it for cultural feminism. It's a theory of difference that says women have these positive qualities, and we need to celebrate them and put them in positions of leadership to clean up society. In the next video, we will see another theory of difference. This is called existential feminism, and I'll talk to you about that one in the next video.